Swami Vidyanand says in Panchadasi 7:28-29, Agyan Abriti Vikshepa Dvitha Gyan Triptiya Sok Apagam Iti Yojaniya Chidatmani. There are 7 stages of ignorance covering projecting, indirect knowledge, direct knowledge, cessation of grief, and perfect contentment in the path of self-knowledge. संसार आसक्त चित्त सन चिदाभास कदाचन स्वयं प्रकाश कूटस्थम स्वतत्वम नैव वेत्ययम. Mind absorbed in worldly activities with the power of Chidabhas or reflected consciousness does not know its true nature as self-evident, unchanging consciousness. Verse 30-31 says, No bhati nast kutastha iti vakti prasangata karta bhokta aham asmiti vikshepam paripadyate. The idea that kutastha or unchanging consciousness does not exist or manifest is the obscuring stage of ignorance. I am the doer and enjoyer is the projection stage of ignorance. Asti kutastha ityado paroksham vetti vartiya पश्चात कूटस्थ एवास्मि देवम वेत्ति विचारतः. Indirect knowledge of existence consciousness is attained through various teachings. Direct knowledge comes through self-inquiry when one realizes I am unchanging consciousness or kutastha. Verse 32, 33, 34 says, Karta bhokta iti evam adi शोक जातम प्रमुच्यते कृतम कृत्यम प्रापणीयम प्राप्तम iti eva tusyati. After attaining direct knowledge, one becomes free from the notions of doership and enjoyership, overcomes grief, feels having accomplished all that to be accomplished, gains all that to be gained, and thereby experiences perfect satisfaction. Agyanam abritti tadvat vikshepsa parokshdi aparoksh mati shok moksha triptir nirankushta. Ignorance, obscuration, superimposition, indirect knowledge, freedom from grief, and unrestricted bliss are the 7 stages of living beings. Saptavastha ima santi चिदाभासस्य तास्विमो बंध मोक्षो स्थितो तत्र tisro बंध कृत स्मृता. Living beings, also known as reflected consciousness or Chidabhas, is affected by these 7 stages. These are the causes and bondage of liberation. The first 3 of them are none for causing bondage. Verse 35-36 says, No janami iti udasin vyavharasya karanam vichar prag bhavena yuktam jnanam iritam. I do not know is the cause of indifference about truth, that is ignorance, lasting as long as discrimination does not mature. और मार्गेण विचार्यार्थ नास्ति न भाति चेत्यसो विपरीत व्यवहृति आवृत्ते कार्यम इष्यते. Kutastha or unchanging consciousness does not exist or does not appear is concluded due to improper inquiry influenced by the covering aspect of ignorance.